Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Know the facts in this video. I will tell 3 secrets and tips to generate consistent images like this. This is my first video. If there is any kind of confusion, let me know in the comments section. So let's start the video. Alright, here is a first trick. Give your character a name in the image prompt. It may sound simple, but it can make a big difference in keeping your character consistent across different scenes in the image prompt. We named a Lily this way. Leonardo AI knows how to create photos that match Lily's appearance and personality. Now let's try another scene, for example, Lily sitting under a big tree. Notice how the scene changes, but Lily's character remains similar to the first one. But wait, what if I change the name and type Isabella instead of Lily in the image prompt? Well, in that case, Leonardo AI will create images of a different character. Name Isabella, not Lily. This can cause confusion and inconsistency in your story. So always remember to name your character in the image prompt when using Leonardo AI or Blue Willow or any other AI image generator. This ensures that your character maintain a consistent look across different scenes, regardless of the setting and situations. Now let's move on the next trick. The second trick that will enable you to create many different scenes while keeping the similar character is to create a detailed and distinctive character design with unique features that are easily recognizable in any scene. This means taking the time to develop your character's appearance, personality, and background. Let's go back to our example of Lily, the little girl exploring the magical forest. We added a description of Lily's appearance, such as wearing a red hoodie, blue short pants, and red shoes. You can also give him an inquisitive personality and love of adventure. When you have these details in mind, you can include them in the image prompt and repeat this description in all the scenes you intend to create. This helps the AI create images that are similar to Lily's design and description and make it easier to identify him in different scenes. Here are various scenes featuring the character Lily. We achieved this by keeping the character description consistent across all scenes and adjusting the scene based on the story's events. So keep in mind that developing your character's appearance, personality, and background before generating your scenes and maintaining the same description throughout all scenes will result in visual images of similar characters in different scenes. Remember that you can't achieve 100% identical character in every scene. However, providing more character details ensures a stable and similar appearance consistent even with different scenes, ensuring that you produce a professional storyboard for the same character. If the previous 2 tricks don't work for you, there is a third and final trick. The use of the image-to-image feature in Leonardo AI. This power tool allows you to upload an image of your main character and create different scenes based on that image. Imagine you have a picture of Lily wearing his Red Riding Hood white shirt and red shoes. Upload this image to Leonardo AI and utilize the image-to-image feature to generate new scenes by employing the images-to-image feature with an upload photo of Lily. You can produce consistent pictures of him in diverse settings and situations. So download and save this images on your device next. I will upload or drag our image into the image prompt. Leonardo AI will use this image as a reference to generate new images. You can also adjust the weight of the image, which indicates how much you want the reference image to influence the new images. Set it to 0.7. Now let's return to the prompt and choose another action for our character, like walking, and it will generate an image similar to the previous one. Remember to avoid making drastic changes to the prompt as it may affect the result negatively. Let's try creating another image. But this time with Lily in a sitting position, click Create, and it's amazing how it produces an image very close to the original. And there you are, friends. 3 secret tricks for creating consistent characters using Leonardo AI. I hope I answered your question and that these tricks and examples help you to take your stories and videos to the next level. Try them out and let me how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. With said, thanks for watching.